If you're looking for new furniture, you may be wondering whether to go with metal or wood. Both are popular and, if they are well made, are sturdy enough to stand the test of time. It's tough to choose between them, so, which is better? Is metal furniture or wood furniture better? Metal is durable and can last for years, whereas wood is less durable. Between the two, which one should you? Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For years, wood furniture was really all you could get. Now that there is a choice, people still gravitate towards wood furniture, for good reason. Wood furniture has a lot of good aspects, and the higher quality furniture you get, the longer it is going to last. Wooden furniture is strong and sturdy, retains value, has enduring look and appeal, is strong and sturdy. Here's the thing with wooden furniture, it is very strong. While not quite as strong as metal furniture, good quality craftsmanship on wood furniture can make it extremely durable. The problem is that most of the wood furniture you see today is made of cheap plywood, particleboard, and fiberboard. With all of the above materials, you're going to get what you pay for. These are the materials that give wood furniture a bad name. Instead, go with a hardwood. Oak is the most common hardwood used for good quality wood furniture. Other quality hardwoods that can be used for furniture include teak, mahogany, cherry, maple, and walnut. Any of the above would make for a good piece of wood furniture. Using these types of wood in every bit of the furniture, and not just the part that people see, makes for very strong furniture. Because of the joints in wood furniture, it will not be able to take the weight metal furniture can, but a piece of wooden furniture made from a good hardwood should be able to support normal adult weights. Wood furniture retains value. Good wood furniture can be passed down from generation to generation. Quality wood furniture retains value to a point where you could conceivably sell it for more than you paid for it. Wood furniture, a century or more old, can still be found in usable condition. There are antique stores all over the world that bank on the fact that wood furniture not only retains its value but also can increase in value. Wood furniture has been in fashion for centuries, and it will not go out of fashion anytime soon. Solid wood, when it is finished correctly, has a luster that brings warmth into any home. Even distressed wood is attractive, which is why it's become such a design feature in the past few years. Damaged wood furniture can be repaired and restored to the original glory, with the right tools. Scratches can be sanded away, and new finishes can be applied, making the furniture look like new. Wood furniture is always trendy but tends to look more rustic and country than does metal furniture. It can make a house look like a home. Wood furniture has a lot of benefits, which is one of the reasons why it has been popular for so long, even with other materials available. Still, wood furniture does have cons, including vulnerable to water, vulnerable to sunlight, can be scratched or damaged by sharp objects, repairs take skill and patience. Moisture will damage wood finishes and could potentially soak into the wood underneath. This makes the wood swell and split. Over time, with no moisture protection, the wood will be ruined. This is especially true in coastal areas. Wood is absorbent, so just being in a high humidity area will cause damage to the furniture. If you've ever seen a piece of wood furniture left out in the elements, you know what we mean. It can crack and warp, losing the integrity it once had. If caught early enough, it can be repaired, but if it is left too long, it can mildew and rot. Wood can also exude moisture. This give and take, the absorption of water and the exudation of water will cause the wood to expand and contract, which can loosen the joints holding the wood furniture together. If you have a wardrobe, this expansion and contraction can cause the drawers to swell and stick, making it difficult to open. Ultraviolet rays are not good for wood furniture. Just as sunlight can wreak havoc on the skin, it can also cause damage to wood furniture. Ultraviolet rays break apart chemical bonds in wood, causing the furniture to change color. Sunlight damage can be repaired, but usually only by a skilled craftsman. However, if you have a good finish on your wood furniture, it should resist sunlight for a few years. Touching up the finish every few years will go a long way towards keeping ultraviolet rays from harming your wood furniture. Wood is naturally soft, so any sharp object can cause damage to it. If you're not a professional woodworker, it may be hard for you to repair your damaged wood furniture. Even something as simple as filling and fixing scratches can require a craftsman. If you try to sand or remove stains, you are going to need a lot of time and patience. Attention to detail is important when dealing with wood. Repairing a scratch often requires a steady hand filling the scratch with a wood putty and restaining the entire piece. Wood also gets darker with time, so regular varnishing and polishing are needed. If the furniture gets a lot of use, you may have to polish on a regular basis. There are many advantages to wood furniture, but you do need to weigh the disadvantages before purchasing an expensive piece of furniture. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.